Excuse me. So what's up, YouTube? Today is December 7th. It is Saturday. It is 1:33 p.m. Sorry about that. There is a noise out through the other room. Not sure who is up here. So today's update number 10, and I'm going to tell you something that me and my library teacher did. So on Friday, that means yesterday, after our fire drill was done, and then we started modeling a 3D model of the RMS Titanic. And yesterday I tried to make a vine for you guys so you can laugh and do whatever, but I don't have it anymore. I have to remake it. And I colored these blue today. It's the reason why I color these blue because my ship is it's gonna be about this big. It's not gonna be a wide model or a big model. It's gonna be a small model about this long. I'm trying to make it look like the real ship, and then it's gonna have the smokestacks, but not the things that stick up. Like look out in the back pole in the back. I'm not sure what they are. Like masts. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Peace out. Have a good day. Here it is, everyone. This is what it's gonna look like.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to